Okay, this might be another short video. I don't know if anybody noticed this, but sometimes when I do a camera shake through an attack, this happens. The camera keeps on shaking. If I look at the animator for the camera controller, we have two states, shake and default. The problem is never going back to default, even though we're past the time limit. We already have something called the camera state for each of the camera states. I'm going to go into the code and I'm going to add a failsafe. And you look for on-state update. And I want to say that when we're past a certain timing, for example 70%, I want to check if the state is called shake, this name shake. That's we want to go back to default. So I'm going to get the animator and I'm going to set the trigger back to default. The default trigger. This should trigger a transition back to the default state. If I go back and play, the game should be fine. It's a rare bug anyways. I was kind of surprised it happened on my first try. And then you see the state going from shake back to default. It should happen automatically. And even if it doesn't happen, if the shake state goes past 70%, we're still going to go back to the default state. And one more thing before I end this video, I want to fine tune the shake numbers. Instead of 6D shake, I want to use handheld wide angle mild. It's just a different option that I think might be better. I'm just going to try some numbers. Okay. Does look kind of mild, but I like it. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.